Listen to part of a lecture in a social science class.
Today, we are going to discuss the advantages of networking. First off, what is networking? Networking is the act of exchanging information and ideas with people in your field of work or interest. Networking is often used by professionals to find people who share similar professions and learn about the industry and trends and spark new ideas. Of course, there are various ways to get effective networking opportunities. It can begin in a college alumni group or at a school club. You can make connections at work, or in meetings, and even in meetings with clients. So, let's look at the first advantage of networking. The most discerning benefit of networking is meeting new contacts and referrals. Since networking gives you the chance to meet many people who are in line with your work and interest, it provides a great opportunity for career advancement. You might come across a person who has tons of work experience in your profession, and that person can give you valuable advice on overcoming the challenges at work, or how to deal with setbacks. Perhaps, a business referral can introduce you to someone else who is an expert in the field, or introduce you to some of their contacts who might give you possible benefits in the future. Surely, these new contacts will help you identify new opportunities and insights to expand your experience and business. Another advantage of networking is that it can allow individuals and business people to be more visible and up to date. In today's fast-paced industry and ever-changing world, it is important to stay on top of trends and know the market. By keeping in contact with your business associates, colleagues, and clients, you will be able to stay current on a regular basis. By communicating and meeting up with them in social events, meetings, or business luncheons, you can build good business relationships and raise your personal profile. Additionally, with your improved self-image and confidence, you will likely get noticed by senior staffs and upper-level management in your organization, and get promoted. And this can all be done with great networking.
Using points and examples from the lecture, explain the advantages of networking.